Tired of constantly buying disposable batteries for your devices? If you're looking for a more eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative, rechargeable batteries might be the way to go. The first benefit of switching to rechargeable batteries is cost savings. They have a higher upfront cost, and you will need to buy a compatible charger. However, they can be recharged and reused hundreds or thousands of times, which can save you money in the long run. If you're someone who goes through a lot of batteries, investing in rechargeable batteries can be a wise financial decision. Next, environmental impact. Disposable batteries are a major contributor to environmental pollution. When thrown into landfills, they release toxic chemicals into the soil and water, which can have harmful effects on wildlife and human health. By using rechargeable batteries, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the planet. Another benefit is convenience. With rechargeable batteries, you don't have to worry about running out of batteries and making an emergency trip to the store. Simply recharge the batteries and you're good to go. This is especially convenient for devices that require a lot of battery power, such as video game controllers or digital cameras. Plus, many chargers nowadays have USB ports, making it easy to charge your batteries on the go. Next up is performance. Rechargeable batteries can now provide the same or even better performance than disposable batteries. If you're worried about rechargeable batteries having lower capacity than disposable batteries, you can buy rechargeable with higher capacity to compensate. For example, this Premium Pro rechargeable AA battery has a capacity of 2,800 milliamp hours, which is higher than many disposable AA batteries. This means they can provide longer-lasting power and can be a suitable replacement for disposable batteries in high-drain devices. And if you're concerned about the shelf life of rechargeable batteries not being as good as disposable batteries, low self-discharge rechargeable batteries such as our Centura lines can offer a solution. They can hold their charge up to 85% even when stored for up to 1 year, ensuring that you always have a fully charged battery ready to use. This feature also makes them ideal for devices that are used infrequently, like remote controls, smoke detectors, or emergency flashlights that you might not use for months at a time. Finally, rechargeable batteries offer versatility by coming in a variety of sizes, making it possible to replace almost all types of disposable batteries. This versatility means you can use rechargeable batteries across your entire household and significantly reduce the amount of disposable batteries you need to buy. In conclusion, rechargeable batteries are a cost-effective, high-performing, and eco-friendly alternative to disposable batteries. Using them is an easy and effective way to reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the environment. So why not make the switch to rechargeable batteries today and start enjoying the benefits?